Hello everyone. Today is Thursday, February 11th. My name is John Paul, DayTradeToWin.com. Before we begin, remember that trading is risky. Please do not trade with funds you cannot afford to lose. Stocks, Forex, options, whatever type of trading you're using, just understand there are risks involved. What you're looking at today is the at the open method. And the at the open method is based on price action. There's actually two orders here, and they're both to go short. The first is 39.1375, which is right over here to go short, and the other is 39.0950 as well to go short. So both of these are indicating to go short, and what I want to do is also look at the Trade Scalper to see if that coincides with any type of short entries as well. Sometimes it's good to see if there are multiple methods indicating short. And just one here, 39.1375 here. This is a Trade Scalper short to go short at 39.1375. So very similar entry on the Trade Scalper. I'm going to do one more. Let's take a look at the Atlas line and take a look and see if we have any opportunities on the Atlas line to go short this morning. And at 39.11 quarter, which is right over here, it's indicating to go short. So we have a few things indicating to go short. Now that all can change, so you have to remember that the market could go down and then later on throughout the day reverse and go long. That's also a possibility. Trends usually have a lifespan. So if the market begins to slowly begin to go up and up and up, and it crosses the Atlas line, that's one opportunity to be a buyer. If we start seeing long entries on the Trade Scalper, more opportunities to be a buyer. If you're looking at the ABC method or another method, more opportunities to be a buyer. So I want to keep an open mind to see if there are any opportunities not only to be a seller, but also to be a buyer. And we may get a signal here to go long. I'll keep this running here. I'll show you an example to go long if in fact it starts to climb above the Atlas line. If you're new to day trading and want to learn more on the benefits of trading the markets, visit DayTradeToWin.com, join the next mentorship class starting later this month, and subscribe to the Day Trade to Win YouTube channel. We focus on price action and work exclusively with new and beginner traders who want to learn more on how to prosper from trading.